How to fix Google Gemini 1099 error code. Hello friends, you might encounter this error code with something went wrong message. Follow the steps to fix it. The first method is start a new chat. If the error code 1099 appears and you get stuck in a chat, then start a new chat and see if the error no longer appears. The second method you can try is change your prompt. Suppose you prompt this way, help me about something. Then you can write, I want help. In this way, you can modify any prompt. The next method you can try is use a different model. Here are the models. This is Canvas model, deep research, creative music, guided learning, personal intelligence labs. Suppose you are using Canvas, then you can use deep research and check if the problem is solved. If the issue still persists, use a different Google account. To use another account, click on the account name and log out. Then log in with another account and then try if it works. Use a different browser. In the same way, you can use Firefox or some other browser such as Edge, Brave and check if Google Gemini works. The next method is disable browser extension or use incognito window. If you are using Google Chrome, then use incognito window. This will disable almost extensions. So try running Google Gemini in incognito window. Furthermore, if you are a paying user, then you can check if there is no issue with the payment on your Google account. And the last method is check if Google Workspace is down. Open a new tab, type Google Workspace server status, press enter, click on this link and see if Gemini is down and service disruption is ongoing. If the service disruption is ongoing, then wait until it is repaired and then use Google Gemini. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.